announce fourth place, third place, second place, first place, and the winner. So the fourth place goes to the municipality of Las Navas. Score of 90.98%, and who will receive the cash prize of 130,000 pesos. Third place goes to the municipality of Mondragon. With an average score of 92.69, and who will receive a cash prize of 230,000 pesos. Our second place goes to the municipality of San Roque.
All right! Congratulations, San Roque! At may marasang na pakwan. Ngayong isda. Sino kaya ang magdadala ng 430,000 pesos? They will be receiving the prize po today. During our program po mismo. Okay, sino kaya out of the 20 participating LGUs? Sino ang bet? Mike?
Yes, Miss Orly, our first place with an average score of 93.27, and who will take home 330,000 pesos.
We will request the mayor of the winning town to receive the award. Again, Mike.
First place,
Congratulations!
the municipality of Silvino Luma.
Okay. Our first runner-up.
For this year's Agri-Tourism Trade Fair. Who is your pick? With an average score of 93.87.
So it's a small margin from the first runner-up. Pareha silang 93, matter of points lang po. Yung
Exactly.
difference. So it's a close competition.
To receive 430,000 pesos, our champion is
Congratulations!
Municipality of
Danay!
Happy 61st founding anniversary province of Northern
Thank you,
Samar.
Governor Harris, Vice Governor Clarence Daco, Congressman Edmund Ongchuan, our other tourism trade fair, lead offices, po. Sunod, ganun din ang participation or probably 100%
At mas malaki ang prize.
at mas malaki hopefully ko. Pwede ba yun? Okay,
Okay.
uwihan na.
We now announce the champion. Our champion is Municipality of
When we host our lunch today at Nasa Moroy Hall, ang winner,
Municipality of
Tadaan!
Kagumi.
Congratulations! Katubig! For Katubig, the Katubig Bridge, and now they're taking home. Okay, their second time po na champion. Back-to-back champion sa aton Agritourism Trade Fair. Palakpakan natin ang LGU!